Honestly, this trick is so good, it's scary. I didn't know it for the first 2 years that I was using Tableau, and I wish I would have. So I've got a pretty cool data set. It's all the haunted places in the US. But I want to see how many haunted places are in each state. So I've got states in rows already, and I've got my workbook formatted all spooky, and I'm going to drag location to columns, but I'm going to hit Option, click, and then drag. And Tableau is going to prompt me to aggregate this somehow. So I'm going to hit count distinct, and then I'm going to sort descending. Looks like California is the spookiest state. If I was using a PC, I would right click and drag to do the same thing. And Tableau defaults to a sum if you're dragging measures onto rows, columns, or any other marks card. But if you do this trick and you right click drag or option drag, you can select from the get-go how you want to aggregate something, whether that's an average, min, max, whatever. It's a really quick trick, or maybe it's a treat. Happy Halloween.